Hi there. If you're new here, my name is Ibrahim Kuhoga, and this is a Greatness in Me Africa video. A couple of videos back, we've been talking a lot about things that affect a professional medical sales representative job. And today's discussion is all about who is a medical sales representative. A medical sales representative is a person employed and work on behalf of pharmaceutical companies, could be innovator, a supplier, or both, for the intention of selling medicines, medical equipment, or nutritional supplements to the healthcare stakeholders such as pharmacies and hospitals. And the primary interaction involves meeting doctors, nurses, and pharmacists and all other people that are related to this industry. So here are the general responsibilities of a medical sales representative. Number one is to provide awareness to the healthcare professionals regarding a particular product. Could be a medical device or a drug, and could be all about how on the usage of that device or on the dosage and so on. Number two is to answer queries about a particular product. It could be on the same, such as dosage, contraindications, safety, and so on. Number three is to share updates to the healthcare professionals about the availability of a new product. It could be a new drug or could be a new medical devices into the market. Number four, it's all about accessibility of these medications, ever since the presence of a medical representative truly determines availability for a certain product, because majority of the companies, they are willingly to bring their products because they have a manpower or a person looking after the sales of that product. And final, it's all about sharing scientific updates to the healthcare professionals, such as the clinical trials or guidelines, of which altogether they help a lot of healthcare professionals in managing their patients much better. You see, the medical sector is changing every day, not only because of involvement of new diseases or same diseases that requires a better management, but also because of ongoing researches and development of new molecules, of which upon recognition by big authorities such as the FDA and other global guidelines, they recommend the usage of these molecules, even though the decision on the usage of these molecules depends on a particular countries. So each and every country needs to decide whether to accept and to use those molecules or not. For that reason, constant knowledge is needed to the healthcare professionals, and that is what makes a medical sales representatives and healthcare professionals to work as partners. Ever since a professional medical sales representative shares information to the healthcare professionals that truly add value and helps a lot in managing their patients much better, while in return, medical representatives are getting sales as a result of the prescriptions that have been prescribed to the patients. Knowing that this is a health sector where patient is at the center, a medical representative is also bound to the medical ethics. Information shared to the healthcare professionals should be the right information and backed up by references from the either clinical trials or guidelines. Apart from a medical representative have medical or biological background education that qualifies him as a medical representative, should also undergo in-depth training in different areas such as science, for example anatomy and physiology, should also have a training on the disease or disease pathology, should also have training on the medicines in general, should also undergo training in the area of selling skills, which helps a lot in improving communication skills. So let's define who is a professional medical sales representative. A professional medical sales representative is a person who has undergone such mentioned trainings on the area of science, medicines, disease, and selling skills, and that is able to confidently share a conversation with the healthcare professionals and adding value of the practice of these healthcare professionals in line with the products that this medical representative is promoting. For those who wishes to join in this career, or perhaps wishes to have a better understanding about this career, I hope I have shared contents that are somehow have added value and you have found them to be more meaningful. Like and leave me your comments so that I know what you guys are thinking, and perhaps I would like to do something that you guys wishes me to do next. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you become the first one to know when I release my next video. And this is Greatness in Me Africa. Bye bye.